Foshan Lesun Electric Co. Limited, established in 2013, is located in Foshan City, China. It is a professional wiring harness integration solution provider. Our company is specialized in wire harness, cable assembly, injection molding plastic part, including R&D, manufacturing, and exporting. The products are widely used in railway vehicle, electric vehicles, energy storage stations, power battery charging, and other new energy equipment, robots, servo motors, and related intelligent equipment, home appliance, etc. Over the years, the company continued to grow and develop. Our factory covers an area of 9,090 square meters and has more than 150 employees, and we set up our own injection molding workshop in year 2023, and we have ability to develop the mold and produce plastic parts. So we also can do the assembly for plastic part and wire harness. The company has passed ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality system certification, successively obtained 7 national patent technologies. There are more than 70 automatic terminal machines, wire cutting machines, injection molding machines, soldering machines. It has more than 10 professional testing equipment, such as advanced insulation withstand voltage tester, cross-section analyzer, wire sequence tester, electronic tension machine, resistance tester, wire comprehensive tester, etc. Look forward to becoming your loyal business partner. Develop and create win-win together.